fabulous Disney mamas. I'm on this end. Where you at, Dunya?
I'm holding the camera.
Her favorite spot to be. So today is a week from the day that we are leaving on vacation. We're going to be in Disney from early Sunday all the way to Wednesday. So we have a lot of clothes to pack, but this is just my clothes. So I wanted to show you guys some of the things that I'm going to be taking. Doesn't include all my personal things, my hair products and stuff like that. Just the clothes that I plan on taking on this trip because we know there's going to be a lot of photo opportunities and we want to make sure to take advantage of everything. So we're going to start off our trip over here, which is for Hollywood Studios. Got my Buzz Lightyear ears, my Funky Mickey, and my Fabulous Disney Mama shirt. On what day was that?
Sunday. Morning.
On Sunday morning, okay? And then for Sunday night, we come over here and I got this super cute blue dress, very light and airy. My husband has this matching flamenco shirt because we're going to be eating at Olivia's Cafe, and that's in the OQS Resort. So we it's like very tropical type of thing, you know, very laid back. So we decided to go with Tropical Bird and my blue dress.
Where did you get this stuff?
We are not sponsored by anybody, but we got an awesome deal on all these super cute men's shirts in Old Navy for $10. And the dress was $8 at Ross. Okay, then we move on to Tuesday.
Monday.
Sorry, Monday. Monday, we're going to be at Magic Kingdom. I got It's a Small World shirt with some tights, which are actually shorts. I got these at Ross today for $5, so I'm excited about that. And my It's a Small World ears. At night, we plan on going to the Floridian to be able to just walk around the resort, take some pictures. My kids haven't seen it, and it's one of Dunya's favorite resorts. I have never been inside of it, so I'm really excited. Raymond will be wearing his adorable surfing panda.
So cute. I love that one.
And I got this pants
suit.
I guess it's a pantsuit type of thing.
Check it out.
Oh, yeah, let me pick it up for you guys. It is actually like very thin, airy, so it's good for, you know, Orlando because it's gonna be hot. And I got this for $12 at Ross, and Raymond's adorable surfing panda shirt for $8 at Ross. Okay. Raymond also got matching shorts for all these outfits that I'm showing you.
We might have to do a Disney Papa.
Yeah, Disney Papa wardrobe.
What to wear or outfit of a day.
Yeah. And then we move on to Wednesday. And Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Why am I so confused? We move on to Tuesday where we're going to be at Food and Wine Festival in Epcot. So I will be wearing my Belle shirt. Raymond has his Beast shirt. My silver ears and my tights. Okay? At, I don't know when we're going to pull that off. Maybe in the morning. We plan on doing Food and Wine Festival around 4 till the park closes at 8. So I'm assuming that in the daytime, we will go to the Polynesian. Which brings me to my next outfit, which is this Lilo and Stitch inspired pantsuit. Okay. This is as close to Lilo and Stitch as I could get. And it's pants. Super comfortable. I'm excited about wearing this. And Raymond has his matching Hawaiian shirts. And the best part is the boys have the same shirt as Raymond. So it's going to be a very cute photo opportunity.
And that one is also from Old Navy.
Yes. The dress pantsuit thing I got at Ross for $9. And the shirt we got at Old Navy for $8. So very good deals at Old Navy. And the pants, the shorts are super good deal too. But we'll have to do a Fabulous Disney Papa one for that. I got my stitch pants and my tank top for when we go to the outlet mall on Wednesday. Okay, on our way home. And then I have an extra outfit in case something goes wrong and there's a malfunction in one of the wardrobes. I got an extra outfit. Those of you who know me know I love animal print. I got my animal print 2-piece here. I also got matching sandals at Old Navy today for $3, which ironically I didn't know, but Dunya has them on right now, and she had bought them a couple of weeks ago, and I didn't know. So I got this to match my towel, my earrings. What else do I have? My patches right there. And hopefully I can finally find a pair of ears that match my animal obsession. Okay, then I also have, this is more like my daytime pool attire. I have my Aladdin and Jasmine full piece for nighttime. If we decide to get in at night. Super cute. Got this at the Disney store last year. Very good quality. Some cover-ups. And I got these adorable pajamas. My kids have matching ones in blue with Raymond, and the female ones are pink. And we got these at the children's place, $6 the top and $4 the bottom. So a lot of good deals while we've been looking for stuff to get for this vacation. And this is an odd position for you guys to see me in. So pretty much this is just some of the stuff clothes-wise that I'll be taking. I still gotta pack the kids' stuff. Still have to pack all the personal things. Still have to pack everything that we have to eat and all that other stuff. But we wanted to show you guys just this Fabulous Disney Mama's stuff that she is taking. And well, we hope you guys like our video. And we look forward a lot to be able to share with you guys our first vacation together in like 3 years.
Yep.
Going to Orlando. So yeah, we're gonna annoy the heck out of you guys on social media, showing you everything that we're doing. A bunch of stories, yes. And we're just so excited, and we really want to share it with you guys. So we hope you have a blessed rest of your day, and we look forward to showing you all the other stuff we're gonna be doing. Bye now.
Hi guys, I'm the other Fabulous Disney Mama. Melissa already did her part showing you what she's taking to Disney World. Now I'm going to show you what I'm taking to Disney World. And we are so excited. We are about 3 days away from our trip. So let's get packing. So we're going to be there for around 4 days. So I packed for in case we get to go out outfits. We don't know if we will or not, okay? So when we leave, which will be Sunday morning, I'll be wearing my Fabulous Disney Mama shirt and some shorts. Shorts are from Old Navy. Really cute. So we leave Sunday, and the first part we're going to be going to is Hollywood Studios. Okay, and we do have reservations that night in Olivia's Cafe in the resort we are staying in. So I'll be wearing this number. Okay, so this will be for our very first night that we are at Disney. The next day is Monday, and on Monday we're going to Magic Kingdom, our favorite park. And of course we're gonna wear our It's a Small World shirt. And again, it's July, so it's hot, so I'll be wearing shorts as well. These are kind of old, several years ago. I don't remember where I got them. Okay. So the Monday night, we're not entirely sure what we're going to be doing, but I am taking some other dresses. So I have this Calvin Klein dress. I have a LuLaRoe Mickey dress that I'm not sure where I'll wear it to, but I'm going to take it just in case we do go somewhere fancy or one of our nights. And then I'll show you the other one later. Okay, so this is our Monday outfit. Okay, and this leads us to Tuesday. And for Tuesday, we are going to Epcot. And we're all going to wear our Beauty and the Beast shirts. So the girls are wearing his Beauty, and the Papa is going to wear her Beast. And I'm just gonna wear some black pants with that. I am taking some extra outfits just in case we have an accident or something ends up happening that we need an extra pair of clothes. I'm taking this mini shirt and Minnie and Mickey tights from Walmart. So I'm going to take those just in case I need an extra outfit. Okay. And then I have this fancy dress back here in case, again, we decide to go somewhere. Maybe I want to wear something different. So I want to have options. And for our way back, I'm going to wear this mom shirt from Walmart as well. And the Minnie and Mickey tights also from Walmart. So this would be for our way back. And I believe on our way back Wednesday, we're stopping at the outlet mall. That is the plan. Okay, so here are the PJs. I'm taking 2 different PJs. I have these pants are Mickey and Minnie from Walmart. And pink shirt with my Minnie and initials. And then here I have my Bo Peep PJs that I got for Christmas last year. And I'm a weirdo, and I always take socks to sleep. I always have to have socks, so I like comfy socks. Okay, so that is all for what I'm taking to Disney World. I'll be making a video showing you what my kiddos are going to be taking to Disney World, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Fabulous Disney Mommas. Bye guys, and God bless.